Good morning, ladies. It's hump day. Or Wacky Wednesday. That's what I like to call it, Wacky Wednesday. It's early in the morning. Excuse me. I've already had my coffee. Working on a Mountain Dew. Oh my goodness. The sun is shining today. It's going to be a wonderful day. It's going to be a wonderful day. So I wanted to work on the last video. I worked on this back page. Well, we worked on this and this. No, wait, what did I work on? I can't remember now. I think it was the book board, the writing board, I mean. We worked on that. So I'm thinking I might want to change this out, this flower. I forgot that I had made these I made these on my Facebook Live on Monday night. They're just little picture slides. That's what they look like. I got my camera different, so I got to get used to the way it's, I have it positioned different, so. So I'm thinking one of these might look better here. And I might go with the bird because the bird's here. So I'm going to try my best to rip this flower up without harming anything. I don't know how well this will come up because I used Fabri-Tac to put it down. Oh, okay. That's not bad. I didn't harm too much. Look at that. But that sticks really well. So I think I'd like him there better. Or maybe in the middle. But I do want to cover that up because I don't want that big glue goop to be seen. So I think I'll put that there. All right. Let's go for it. And then I have a couple tags that I put in there that I'd like to decorate with you guys or embellish. So I'm just going to put this on the bottom half because, oh my gosh, I put it on the wrong side. All right, well, let's just wipe that off. Why don't we? Why don't we? We can fix our mistakes here. I should be used to that. I make a lot. I make a lot of those mistakes. You guys just don't see them. And we're not going to see that side, so. There we go. Just like that. No biggie. You could probably also tuck something in there too. We'll figure it out together. Okay, so I got these two little tags. I don't know what to do with them. I'll just start playing and see what happens, see what evolves. So we'll ink them up. Ink them up, ink them up. I need to come up with a song while I'm inking. I think I like to ink, ink, ink. I think I like to ink, ink, ink. Yeah, too early for me to be on camera, I think. Or video, whatever. Little loopy. Well, I'm feeling better for one. A little better. that time of the month can be a doozy for me. I'll be glad when it's over. When I'm at the age that it's over. But then I guess I would have menopause to look forward to, right? Oh, joy, joy. But we have to make the best of it. We just have to. I'm thinking I'll cover this side with this paper. So I need my glue stick. So Wayne got up early to go get some blood work done. I didn't know what he had planned for today because I'm supposed to have some blood work done too because I have super high cholesterol. And if I would have known, I wouldn't have had my coffee. I guess I was allowed to have black coffee, but I like stuff in my coffee. I like sugar and cream and all that good stuff. So I guess I can't get my blood work done today because I didn't know what he was gonna do. So it's quiet here without him. We're both, to be honest, we are both homebodies. We like being home. We're safe here. We are safe here. I don't like to be too far from my craft room anyways. I call it my craft room. I should call it my studio and be all professional and call it my craft studio. Which is, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just playing around. I'm not dogging on anybody who calls it their studio, but I don't know. He calls it my putter room. So when we first moved here, we fought over this room. Not really like fought, but I'm like, but I need this room for all my stuff. And so in the end, you can see I got my way. Which I do for the most part anyway, but I think I might sew around those. I want to put an image on there. Oh, are they plowing again? We got a good amount of snow last night and yesterday. Good amount. I have some of this trim. I think it's like a Noah's Ark trim, but it's got animals on it. And I'm wondering if there's a little elephant there. I don't know. Let's see. Let's pink it. Pinky pink it. I don't know if it'd go well with this or not. I could always use them as tabs too in the journal. I don't know. I'm gonna wait on that, but I do want to use that, so I'm trying to use it in everything that I have. Oh, I like that side better. So I rigged this up. It's a square thing, but I cut one in half and I put one in the middle, the round ones, because I don't have the square ones. And I think it's time for time for new ones on the edges. Because like when I do this, they're crumbling and falling onto my artwork. Yep, they're plowing again. You guys can probably hear that. No worries, they're just they're just plowing. And you know, I might do this so it could be like a little tuck. So I could tuck something in there. What am I going to use? I'm just going to use this. And go on this side here. Good old plow. Oh, he's spinning. He's spinning his tires. He's just a young kid too, it looks like. Okay, what do we want to put here? Maybe a little bunny. Let's see what we got for bunnies. A little bunny. Oh, white and fuzzy. Oh, this would be cute, but I don't know. I'd probably end up cutting some of the flower off. He's cute too. Let's see which one we like the best. I went out earlier and I like days like this when it's a little brisk, but the sun's shining nice and bright, and it just puts me in a good mood when the sun's out. Need some of that good old vitamin D. Oh, doesn't that little bunny look cute there? He looks so sweet. But I gotta see what these guys look like too. I'm just gonna messily cut around this. I'm not gonna go for the detail because I'll probably end up cutting most of the side off anyway. I'm not even gonna bother getting that flower in there either. But we'll go careful around his little ears, his floppy little ears. So cute. When I was younger, we lived on a farm and we had bunnies galore. We started with like 2 or 3. And in no time, we had a whole yard full of bunnies, but we had the room to have them, you know, like, oh, they're so cute. Yes, we gotta have the bunnies on here. See, I'll end up cutting some of his little bum off, but look how cute that is on there. Okay, glue. Or maybe we could just fold it over. So I have some black thread in my sewing machine. Oh, we're going to end up cutting some of his ears off. Unless... Yes. Okay, let's do it that way. That's all right. What was I saying? I forgot now. So this can be a little tuck for something. Like this. Maybe if I can show you. Be a little tuck. Hey, that's kind of cool. I could fit that through like that. Anyways, I'm going to go sew around these and I'll be right back. Okay. I said I was going to sew, but I didn't say neat. So I like those. Those came out very cute. And I think on the back, I will just maybe... Do I want some lines? Let me look here. I'm looking in my stamp box. Here we go. Found some lines. And we'll put some lines on there. Oh, now they're going to go shovel around all the doors. They get the plowing done, so they got to shovel around the walkways and stuff. There. That's not neat either, but so cute. We also had chickens and pigs. What else? Ducks, geese. Okay, oh, look at their little heads peek out. Cute. And then we'll put that in there like that. And I need something to go in there, but we'll get to that eventually. There was something else. Was there something else? Well, how are we on time? Okay, we're only 18. Let's make something to go in there. I had a bunch of tags already cut. They were from some scrap pieces that I gotta trim just a little bit off that. Just a little bit. And we'll put the curve back in it. Or the rounded corners. Let's see now. Okay, yes, that fits in there a lot better. I should have done these all together. But I wasn't thinking, so I wasn't thinking ahead. This week is going by fast. I have the week off from work for, well, for vacation, and it's going by super fast. I made like 3 videos yesterday. So pretty soon, if I keep it up, I'll have like a week's worth of videos to put up. Boys, I gotta clean my scissors. They're very gluey. Some Goo Gone. Little bunny. You want to go down there, little bunny? We'll glue him on. Maybe he needs a little bit of something up here too. Maybe some flowers. I'm not sure what would look good. Maybe this one right here, or this yellow one, or the pink one. Whoops, sorry, I hit the camera. Okay. Yeah. Well, I don't think I'm going to go around each and every one of those. There is a couple here. I want to just get the white off. Whoops, I almost cut that leaf off. Yikes. It's not going to look good if I'm trying to take my time, you guys, but these little tiny cuts. I don't mind fussy cutting, but when you're filming, not everybody likes to watch it. So I think I'm going to put that flower right there. But it looks kind of, I don't know, it needs something. I haven't been putting much lace in this journal, but And then what if I put this on here? And then I can sew around it. It'll be all right, I think. I'm just gonna commit. Then I'll sew that on. The ink around there. Although I don't really have to that much. But okay, I'll be right back. Going to the sewing machine. Okay, I think the stitching added a nice touch. I'm happy with it now. Alrighty, ladies. I think that's it. For this video, anyway. I've been mad filming crafty lady the past day here. Oh, I never thought that might be too long. Well, he can peek out a little bit, little elephant. My goodness. Got a mess on my hands. I never thought to put something for a pull on these, but I like that. Whoops, got glue on the back. Okay, ladies, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next video. If you're new here and you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up, and share with your friends. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Bye.